Let me introduce this crowdfunding project. Before we jump into the project descriptions, let's clarify what is crowdfunding.
Meet Ahmed. He's been saving to buy an investment property, but property prices have risen faster than his savings. Ahmed doesn't have many options to invest his savings into property until today. We take the property and break it up into smaller shares so you can buy as many as you can afford. All your interests are aligned as the motivation is to make money. The property will be rented and any rental income will be distributed to all the investors proportionate to their investment. As an investor, you can track the performance of your investment through your personalized dashboard, ensuring your investments are structured in a safe manner where it's backed by real hard assets. Sit back, relax, and collect rental income. In 5 simple clicks, you can start building your real estate investment portfolio.
Now, as you got an idea about crowdfunding, you understand that you're about to purchase your portion of the profit on the ready-made project business. What is this project about? I travel all around Europe. I always search for the place where I can work and network, and I can't find this kind of place. There are lots of people like me. What is the biggest problem that each entrepreneur faces when they start their endeavor, right? They have money, but they don't have time for social life. And we are offering them only one space where they can work downstairs, where they can live, where they can meet and communicate with like-minded people. Location. It will be located close to Batumi, Seaview. We will have nice, beautiful yard. This will be also our point of difference. On the first floor of the hotel, there will be a co-working space for entrepreneurs. The target group is also local, small and medium-sized entrepreneurs and international digital nomads. Approximately there are 4,000 digital nomads. Our hotel will be 12 rooms only. 4,012. I will be glad that if you take part in this grand mission of disconnecting people from the digital world and connecting them in the real world. Offering them all in one space where they can work downstairs, where they can live, where they can meet and communicate with like-minded people. That's an extra point of difference that will allow us to rent easier our properties for higher than market price. What is your expected return on your investment? It's the most important question. That is at least I try to be as conservative as possible. If we be very conservative in a worst case scenario, you will get 9% back on your investment. If we are just renting out for long-term tenants, those properties. But I'm not going to rent for only long-term rentals because short-term rentals have better return on your investment. And that's gonna be up to 15%, most realistically. We will run those projects for you. Everything can be done remotely without you coming here. Marketing, operational side will be done all by me and my team. And at the end, we will be obligated to report to you our activities, income, total disclosure according to international financial accounting standards. And at the end of each month, each year, you will receive this report of income, which will grant you the right to receive your percentage according to your contribution. Whatever you invest, is it 5,000, 10,000, you will get 15%, from 9 to 15% on your investment. If not, we guarantee you return of your money back in 5 years if these criteria are not met. If you are interested in investing in this project, you can contact me on my email or other contact sources, and I will be glad to send you a detailed proposal, because I can't go to all the details during this video, but I will be able to send you the proposal, all the legal documents, what are required, and all the information that you might require for this project. If you want to participate in this fundraising, down in the description I will leave all kinds of information for you. Links where should you go, what to do, and so on. That was very short introduction of this project, and I will be glad if you join and hop up on this endeavor. Bye for now.